Hello, it is I, Finite Zero, and welcome back, because I'm just some generic reviewer. And today we have pizza, specifically FredMeyer, a 3-minute microwavable pizza. Specifically, this flavor is 3 meat. So I already cooked it. Well, I'm gonna give it a try. That is some good pizza. Not necessarily as good as like say delivery. Then again, microwavable pizza never is. DiGiorno, screw you. Um, but for microwavable pizza, very nice. I definitely recommend this because it's cheap and where you don't even need to put it in for 3 minutes. Just put it in for 2 minutes 30 seconds and it works just fine. So yeah. Very nice. So, until next time, I'm just some generic reviewer with some generic catchphrase.